How fast is the time decay in options trading? Is it important to know how fast the time decay is in options trading? Yes, it is very important to know. It's because if you don't know this, you cannot apply strategies to options trading. If you apply options trading strategies without knowing when the premium will decay faster, it's hard to make money in options trading. If you don't know when the premium will decay faster, the probability of making money in options trading is lower. In options trading, there are numerous trading strategies, but you cannot apply them whenever you feel like it. Many of the options trading strategies purely depend on time decay. You have to align the strategies according to when the time decay is greater. Many experienced options traders don't reveal it. I hope you can understand its importance. Now let's dive into the topic. The speed of time decay simply depends on which expiry you want to trade. In options trading, there are lots of expiries. Daily expiry. The daily expiration contract is valid only for 1 day. Weekly expiry. The weekly expiration contract is valid for 7 days. Monthly expiry. The monthly expiration contract is valid for 1 month. Bi-monthly expiry. A bi-monthly expiry contract is valid for 2 months. Yearly expiry. A yearly expiration contract is valid for 1 year. Let's go one by one according to expiry. In the daily expiry contract for the first 2 hours of market opening,